And oh.
So my camera died in the middle of me recording. However, the look is pretty much complete, although I did go ahead and switch back to a middle part and add a little bit of foundation just to conceal it. As you can see, I am relocated. My camera died, but yeah, I added just a little bit of my Moroccan oil on my hands and ran it through it to give it just a little boost and shine. It didn't really need it. I do that with all my human hair wigs, just a little bit, so I think it was just habit. But yeah, it's my first time going for something like this as far as color, as far as the type of hair, the synthetic. I do notice that, like, of course, it's not tangling, but you can see it gathering. You can see it gathering like pre-tangle style. So again, it is synthetic, so of course it's hot right now. It's the summer, so I'm expecting a little bit of gathering in the like nape area, which is exactly what's happening. But yeah, that's exactly what's happening. But as far as look, this is gorgeous. If you're trying to switch wigs in and out, you want to play around with color, you want to play around with length, you want something quick and easy, something inexpensive, yes, guaranteed. I would love it. I might go, like, I'm not even mad. I'm definitely gonna go back and get another style in black, just because, you know, your girl do not like having to do hair often like that. I love my hair. I love having hair. I mean, not even be ungrateful, but having to do it every day and maintain it and like balance heat, no heat, natural hair, all that, it's a lot. So yeah, that's just my personal dilemma. So if you're somebody who likes to get up and go, throw it on, slap it off, this is probably going to be it for you, because this really didn't require any Like, it didn't require much alteration. I just wanted it to look like really popping. So yeah, and it was fresh out the box. So once you've already cut the lace and everything, you can just slide this on, slide this off. You got your own little foundation color, whatever, on there. You can slide this on and slide this off with no problem. All the specs are going to be in the description box below. This is my first video, so I'm a little bit but bear with me as I go on this journey. Get it together.
Get it to fucking together.
Yeah, I'm loving this. Like, I'm really loving it, honestly. Keep a brush or a little something to get that nape, like I said, but other than that, those are all the cons. But it's expected. I mean, it's synthetic wig, you know. As far as the pros, there's a lot of pros to this. One, the colors are fire. They have some other colors, but they really, I think it's really cute. I don't know if that's common for synthetics, but they really did it with the color. Two, length. You get a lot of good length on this. So if you're somebody who likes long hair, good. If you're somebody who likes short hair, cut it. $50 and you have a look. You just went to the salon, your hair is popping. $50.
A new style, a new hairdo, a new cut, a new color.
As far as hairline, it's really nice. They were not playing about that whole wet lace statement. You can see a few areas, like this little piece of demarcation, and like just a few things that I aired on. But if you are better with the wigs than I am, you're gonna have no problem. It's really beautiful. At this point, I would recommend it. Now, I haven't worn it out yet for an extended period or anything, which I honestly don't think that's what synthetic wigs are for. Unless you got those like stiff, built to last church wigs, then, you know, do you.
Do you, boo-boo. You know why? Because I'ma do me.
But as far as like keeping it looking, you know, fresh and like this, I don't think synthetic wigs are meant for that. So for now, I would say it's totally a thumbs up for short term, you know, quick little usage. It feels really full. The curls add a lot of volume.
Get it to fucking together.
We got hella pros for this. Can we get into this pre-plug? Like, the fact that this is pre-plug, I love when something's pre-plug, but good pre-plug, not over-plug, not still blocky. Like, this is really nice. Versatility. So this thing already came layered and all. Like, it's almost no work that you have to put into this. So if you want to do a quick flip and switch over to a side part, let me tell you, all it requires is a quick comb, and like, baby, you got that side part going. Now, I done already set it up for the middle for today, so I'm gonna keep it as is. But you see that? Oh, we're rocking back in style. Okay, 2 seconds. Yeah, as far as like the versatility, the depth of the parting, the length of the frontal, how everything is set up is just like, you get so much versatility. Whatever you want to do with it, you can achieve it with this hair. So I think it's really nice, and it's very snug as far as like size. And if you have a smaller hair that has the adjustable straps, I really don't think it would be an issue for anybody. Like, it's comfortable, even though it's snug on me. My hair is not braided, it's in that bun underneath, and it's very comfortable. So one more thing I was gonna mention.
Nuts.
Girl, what nuts? Okay, that's the end of it. Last point, period.
Wrap it up. That's it.
No knots. Well, no, I'm just kidding. You do have some knots, but not like knots. Like, it looks pre-bleached. That's it, girl. Look at this, in the bounce. What'd you say?
For real, stiff what?
Oh, no way.
Stiff what?
Wow.
No.
Yes. But yeah, so I think it's really fire. I think it's really cute. I'm loving it. I might go brown again. Let me know in the comments below. I think it's super cute. Maybe I'll do an apartment tour or something once I get everything set up. Let me know. Welcome to my channel. This is my first little video, and I'm super excited about it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll come back and give a review on how it turned out. Stay tuned to the end for a few pictures to see how Snapchatable, Instagrammable it is. Have a great day.